How to turn off notification previews on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notification previews on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and here you will find notifications and sound. Just click on it and then click here notification previews, and as you see, just by one click notification previews has been turned off. And that's how to turn off notification previews in Messenger Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.